What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, I haven't done a video, but today's finally the day. We're gonna go ahead and get the two-door Tahoe up and running. As you can see, I got a lot of things in my way, so I gotta go ahead and move the trampoline over to the dirt, get the basketball court out the way. Here it is, covered up. I've been neglecting it. I picked out a set of wheels I want to put on it, so the first thing I gotta do, I just gotta go ahead and get it up and running again. The battery's good. As you can see, it has a battery tender right here, so it's always hooked up so the battery doesn't die on me. Guys, I recommend you guys pick one up if you have a car that's been parked for a while. Saves you time, saves the battery. And this is probably the third cover I bought for it. This Arizona heat sucks. It eats everything. As you can see, the trampoline over here, on this side, it's bad. So let me go ahead and move everything out the way so we can go ahead and start the truck up and park it right here.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no-no.
It does have a 6-inch Pro Comp lift, but when I originally bought the truck, it had just a 2-inch leveling kit, and it had these exact wheels and tires. So I just never got rid of them. And if you guys remember in my previous videos, I took the original wheels that I bought for this truck, the 22s, and I put them on my Ram, my 2019 Ram. So that's what my truck has right now. And right now this has just been sitting here for a while, so I put these back on. But now it's time to get it back up and running again. Kind of have an idea which wheels I'm gonna pick, what I'm gonna buy for the truck, so stay tuned. You're gonna see them probably in this video, if not maybe in the next one. But right now we should probably get it moved over here so we can go ahead and give it a wash and then go through it. I got some stuff I gotta replace on it. The passenger side window motor is bad. I already picked up a couple of those, so I'll just end up replacing both the driver and the passenger. And the distributor as well, I got that. It's not bad, it's just the cap is a little cracked, and I'm just afraid that one day with all the vibration, the cap would just completely fall off and it just leave me stranded in the middle of nowhere. So we'll get that replaced.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Make sure there's no spiders in here, no black widows. Oh, check that out, guys. I guess the truck's making a liar out of me. Window does work. Nah, but it has its faults. It has its days that it doesn't want to work, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get that replaced so we don't have any issues in the future. Put the HD tow mirrors on it, modify them a little bit. It already had the MagnaFlow exhaust when I purchased it. So you can see the sun right after I parked it. I didn't really care for it. I didn't think the sun was gonna eat at it too much, but that was wrong. Mess with the fender flares, and also on the roof, a little bit on the roof and on the fenders right here. That sucks. So it's my mistake, guys. Just take care of your trucks. It does have emissions problems. That's one of the reasons I parked it. Something has to do with the evap system. Gotta replace those gas struts. So my plans for this truck is to get it obviously back up and running. Big wheels and tires on it. I don't know. Take it to the burnout pits. Set this mighty with the spin it. Hopefully I don't roll it over. I think you'll be okay. Let's go ahead and get it washed so we can go ahead and get those window motor replaced. right, guys, now that we got the truck all washed up, now we're gonna go ahead and replace the 2 window motors. Here I have some white lithium grease. I'll go ahead and put some on to help out with the friction. I'll just go ahead and put a little bit on each spline. Now I gotta go ahead and hook up the wire so I can have access to that 3rd bolt. Wait. Alright, so what went wrong? Fortunately, nothing bad happened. Just smashed my finger. You live and you learn. There you have it, guys. You got this one done. I bought the gas struts for that rear glass. I can go ahead and put those in right now. It is the next day. Was gonna put the rear glass window support struts, but they gave me the wrong ones and they didn't have the right ones in stock. So I gotta go drive at a different store further out to pick up the right ones. So in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and take care of the distributor. The main reason I'm replacing it because this piece right here that holds the cap, it's actually broken. And I just don't want later on in the road cap actually fall off and leave me stranded, which this one's actually cracked already. Luckily the new one that I bought has the steel or aluminum base, so I shouldn't worry about that. If it was just the cap that's cracked, I'll just replace it without an issue. But this one's actually all plastic. You know, it might be the original one, but let's go ahead and put this one in. The brand new distributor is on. Now let me go ahead and do the oil change on it real quick, and then we can go ahead and do the work on the differential. Big difference. Well, now I can read. There you have it, guys. Ahí está eso. Right now I'm waiting for the gasket from the differential to dry up. I gotta wait 24 hours. So I went ahead and tightened it up right now. I'll go ahead and put the fluid in tomorrow. Oil change is done, distributor replaced, passenger side window motors replaced. I'm gonna go ahead and purchase the wheels and tires for this. You won't be able to see it on this video, so like the video, subscribe to keep you updated. On the next video, you're gonna go ahead and see it on the brand new tires. I think it's gonna look badass. This is gonna be a wrap for today's video. Stay tuned. Comment what you think about the truck. I am trying to finish it for Arizona Truck Fest. It's gonna be November 6th and the 7th, so I'll be out there. Stay tuned, guys.